All right, a student told me that they might struggle um, doing the uh, case presentation. I think they basically said they could probably do the events, but the stuff about issues, rule, um, analysis, and conclusion they might struggle with. So what I'm going to do is walk you through um, how to first of all find your case, just kind of walk you through it one more time. Um, if we go to STLCC libraries, I've got some other sites on this on my YouTube website, but that may or may not really help you. Remember, we go to articles, databases, and I like going right to LexisNexis if it'll pop up quickly. It says go to Nexus Uni. Oh, I thought I was already logged in. Okay. All right. Sorry about this. That's what happens when you do live stuff. I came from a Blackboard site and I presumed I was logged in, but apparently not. All right. So we're going to do cases. The one I've hopefully copied is, let's see if, yeah, is a federal case. And I'm going to search for it. Um, so if yours is a state case, you're going to need that. And here it is, Newton v. Diamond. That looked like exactly what I was trying to get. The book said it was the Beastie Boys, so we'll look at whether that's true or not. But when you're looking at this, one of the things you can look for, if you're looking for issues, oddly, the head notes kind of point to them. They're like protected subject matter, musical works. Well, it sounds to me like this is probably a copyright matter. Another one is appeals, standard of review. That's an issue. What are the, you know, when may the court affirm a judgment below? Here is a summary judgment. And, you might even want to, in this case, describe summary judgment. I don't want to do this student's work for them. This is kind of an interesting case. It's about sampling of a little segment of the Beastie Boys, I believe is who it was. That's what it says in the book. Um, but right here, these are your issues. So now how do I get to rule? Well, I could just click on this, you know, let's look at head note 6. It'll lead me right to what we're talking about. Um, and, this talks about what is the rule of law. And notice there are cases, and, that tell you this. And once you're in here, you could go look at this and it should lead you directly to what you're talking about. So we should be able to jump right to 74, 76. There it is. So I can read all of this. So analysis is, having looked at the facts, what are the issues, what are the law as it's stated. Then analysis is, do I think the court was correct? Do I conclude is a better, you know, what is my conclusion? Why did the court rule this way? What were the opposing arguments? And then the conclusion. And frankly, your work should be not much longer than what I'm showing you here. And hopefully this helps that student identify how to do this. I'm going to post this for everybody. Usually if one student asks me in an online course, I post for all. Thanks. Have a great day. See you soon.